Here comes another project that took me almost 7 years from concept to finish. Thanks to my buddy Rob, who brought me the casino chips straight from Vegas. Creating this piece was a lot of fun. It was a colorful mess, a wild ride, and a creative explosion. I painted, hopefully, fake casino chips, painted fighter jets, sculpted a basket and a football, threw some fast food remains on the base, painted stars and stripes on a fabric that was not meant for it, and overall I just had so much massive fun on this project. This is a very creative project. I sometimes have creative explosions, like I explained in the beginning, and I always call these moments when creativity strikes. I like these projects the most. They make me happy. And when creativity strikes, I just do. I create, I don't overthink, I just explode with creativity, with an idea that I had for years, or with a very fresh one, a very unique and fresh one. So I just explode. My diorama Merica is definitely one of the series. You can find a step-by-step, a project log, a workflow explanation in my Etsy shop. Link down below. I'm very much looking forward to show you the turnaround video on this project. In the meantime, don't forget to subscribe and like the video, and maybe drop a comment if you like our content. This will help our channel to grow. Thank you very much. Tell us in the comments if you understand what we mean with when creativity strikes. Have you ever been in a situation on your workbench where you just did without thinking too much, where you just were creative and empowered by the energies of your creativity? Let us know in the comments.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up!